Twitch. And yeah, I haven't enabled my webcam. God damn. Video capture. Let's see, like so. Let's tweak it a little bit. Oh shit. Beautiful. Yeah. Perfect, I hope. Okay, am I even live? I hope I'm live. Manage. Yeah, I forgot this. Let's do not unlisted public. Done. Save. Boom. Ka-ching. And yeah, it seems like we are ready to go. I'm just gonna do at live streams. A short one. Alrighty. I'm gonna take the chats to yo, what's up? Over here, so I can see you guys. If you say something, where's the chat? There.
Are you already streaming? It's not even the afternoon yet.
Yeah, I need to visit the family, so I don't have time to stream later. Well, yo, what's up? People joining already, crazy.
Yeah, I see.
But yeah, I think I could actually upload like the shitty version that I have, because I think you can upload to the game jam and you can still modify and tweak stuff, you know? So I don't know if anyone even wanna try it out, but I'm gonna make it a little bit so it's playable to some extent, hopefully. So that's kind of the plan before I leave. So if someone tries it out, could just feedback. I wanna try it out, please. Cutcraft. All right, I will stream at a reasonable time for me. Finally. I mean, what's up, Carbon? It's about time, you know. But yeah, it's the plan is just to. Oh wait, so that's why I just realized live chat. So now if I do links, does it work? Oh, it doesn't work. God damn. Yo, Leon, what's up? Oh, Leon is in the chat. Damn. I think. Mind if I hop on Discord? Yeah. Do mind actually. Wait, I'm gonna find you, and then I'm gonna do this thing. So I think now you should be able to join the live call if you want to. I'm in Japan, so you normally start stream as I'm going to sleep. Yeah, it's a sad moment. It happens. Inconvenient, right? Let's see. What should we do first of all? I think getting a UI. It's about time that we get some UI that says to you that you suck. I don't really have a menu or anything. I don't know if that's a bad or good thing, but let's see. Do I know how to create a UI element? Let's see. We go UI, we create a canvas, and this is gonna be, I'm just gonna call it UI. Literally just UI. We'll join in a few minutes then. Wait, is that beat? What is beat? Hashtag feels bad, man. Indeed. Oh, bean. No. This is Ben. It's Ben. You don't know how funny I have planned the video to be. It's Phoenix Puzzle, guys. Don't join Lucas Glisser. He will make you. He's. No. Join the Beastie. It's a good place to be. Ben 10, bruh. Why should I use that? This is Ben 69. I'm gonna write it down for the video. Thank you. I'm stealing this. Ben. This is Bean. A is silent. It's funny because Ben is the name of my best friend. He also orange like the bean. Okay. I already have like the script planned out here, but let's let's add a Ben 10 reference here, but maybe do Ben 10, maybe, but we say 69 instead, you know, because that would be super funny. Ben with a small b. How about that? Alrighty, so I would like to do this. He's Finnish or Finnish? Is he Finnish or finished? You know, which one is it? But this will be basically the UI. Can I go to like align here? Wow. Move to view. No, not now. Stop. What am I doing? No. Okay. How do I align to view? Align view to select. Perfect. And then I go 2D mode. And then we will how do how do how do this work? Like, aren't you supposed to give it a camera for it to be attached to? I don't remember this. I have to Unity make a UI. Make a UI. Hey, I just need a how to make a Unity easy tutorial. Exactly what I need.
Welcome back to Blackthorn Prod.
I hope
I'm
this
Noah,
is.
and today we will take a detailed look at Unity's basic with and click on or some text to explain the game's rules or display credits. In many cases,
Okay, perfect.
that
Here.
an event system pops up in the hierarchy. I hardly ever touch this. Let's get cracking. First things first, head over to Create and choose Canvas. You'll see that an event system pops up in the hierarchy.
Oh, I deleted the event system, but it's back there. Cool.
I hardly ever touch this. It's especially important though if you have UI that the player can interact with, such as buttons. So honestly, just leave it there. I can't tell you how horrible it was spending hours and hours wondering why my buttons weren't working, only to realize I deleted the event system. Grabbing hold of my canvas, I'll now take a look at the canvas scaler component attached to it, and change the UI scale modes to scale with screen size, for width and height.
Okay, well, let's do this. Scale to screen size. Am I right? We probably could just leave that one a little bit smaller.
Type out the same values as your game's current resolution, visible right here. So me, I have a resolution of 16 by 9, so I'll type 1600 for width and 900 for height. This is an important step. We'll make sure that my UI scales properly and I reduce or increase the size of my screen, something we'll take a look at further down the video. With all that done, I'll create my first UI element, some simple text. For me, the text looks tiny, so I'll increase its size in the text component. At some point, the text may get cut out. Simply hit T on your keyboard or click on this icon to get this cool UI scaling tool that will allow you to increase or reduce the space occupied by your UI elements by simply left-clicking on the edges and dragging. To scale uniformly, simply hold down Shift as well. I'll change what the text displays right here, typing for example health. Awesome. Let's say I wanted this health display to be in the top left corner of my screen. You could simply move it with the translate tool, but your UI won't look right if you then change the resolution. With the 16 by 9 it looks good, but change it to 5 by 4 for example, and as you can see the health display is no longer at the top left corner of the screen. So instead you need to use this. Right clicking on it will open up this little anchor menu. You'll now need to hold down both Shift and Alt, and then click on one of these 9 squares. Each one will snap your text to a certain part of the screen. So I'll obviously choose the top left square, and now my health text is nicely positioned once again. And changing screen sizes won't change the fact that it's still in the top left corner of the screen. Of course, you'll probably not want to swash like this. So now that you've done that, you can tweak its position right here, or even just using the rect tool, and things will still work fine, as long as you click on the right anchor menu button. The question is, how can I now change what this UI displays via code? For example, if my player takes damage, my health should go from 5 to 4 for example, and that change should be visible in the UI. So let me make a new C# script called health display, drag and drop it onto my text UI element for example, and open it up. When playing around with Unity's UI via code, always make sure to add the using unityengine.ui namespace up here, or things won't work. Now I'll make an int variable called health and set it equal to 5, and a public variable of type text called health text. In my update function, I'll get this health text displaying the word health by typing health display.text is equal to health plus my health value. And if I hit the space key for example, I'll reduce health of 1. This way the text will change directly in game. Heading back into Unity, I'll now drag and drop that text component inside of this empty health text slot in the inspector and hit play. And you'll see that indeed the health text correctly displays what I told it to via code. I can now hit space, health will be reduced of 1, and my text will clearly illustrate that turn of events. Note that if you didn't want the health word before the health value, you could do so by removing it, but you must also type after health to string. This will convert the int to a string. Unity won't throw you a nasty red error. You can of course change the color of the text, its alignment, as well as the actual font. Unity's basic UI only comes with this Arial font, which may very well not fit your game style. A great place to download cool fonts is the website DaFont. Google Fonts also has some very nice fonts. Once in your Unity project, you can then change the text font by clicking this little circle and choosing which font you want. I also very often add the shadow component to my text, which gives it that cool little drop shadow that looks, in my opinion, very neat. You can change the direction which the shadow is facing, as well as its color and opacity.
Wait, so is this still just like just there? Like that makes no sense. Like I haven't even attached it to any camera thingy. Oh, it is just there. Well, that's funny. I would not actually expect it to be just there, but okay, we'll just roll with it. You know, why not? Where did you go?
property. You can of course also add images to your scene. Doing so will give you a bland white square, but if you have a sprite in your project folders, you can drag and drop it inside of this empty slot. Of course, chances are high your image looks a little squashed or stretched, so simply grab your rect transform tool and scale things around until you're satisfied with the result. Or if you want to be pinpoint accurate, take a look at its dimensions here, and then type out that width and height value right here. And again, you can change what the image displays or its color via code. Placing the image in the scene works the exact same as with text. Simply snap it to a certain corner of the screen and then move it around using the rect transform tool. Alright, another really important UI feature are buttons. You'll be using these for your game's main menu, pause menu, inventory, and more. Just head over to UI and create a new button. Of course, this button looks very ugly. It's a lot better to create your own button graphics in Photoshop or GIMP, for example. I've made this simple button rectangle that I'll drag and drop inside of this source image empty slot, and that bland white rectangle will disappear, replaced by that cool new graphic. You can also delete the text right here if you want. The main use of buttons are to call functions in your scripts when clicked on. So for example, I'll make an empty game object called game manager, add a new C# script to it called example script, and open it up. Inside it, I'll make a public function called hello. Now make sure your function is public, or you won't be able to call it from your button. Inside it, I'll simply do a debug.log stating hello. My name is Noah, and now I can hit
But I don't need
Unity,
buttons, I
add to
think.
my button and on-click. You'll see that my function that. Check out this video I made a while back on how to make cool main menus. Of course, you don't usually use buttons to display on the console hello, but more to transition between scenes or change a certain option, like the screen.
Okay. I think I know what I need to do. So this one will actually be UI would just be size. I enjoy how the words never matter to Lucas when he's watching a tutorial, just straight to visuals.
Oh,
Yo, what's up, Leon? Yeah, you know
yo, hi, Chef.
it's. Oh wait, it's not Leon. It's
It's
TC.
Chef.
What? Oh my god.
Yeah.
I was expecting Leon to join the call, so I was like, yeah, somebody said something, better be Leon.
Yeah.
Oh no, my bad, bro. No, the chef is cool too, you know, but I would like Leon. I know. Let's see. So we have. I would just call it size evolve. Evolve. Yeah, size evolve. That's what it will be called because that's a good name. And actually, this should probably be within the player because it's kind of like I don't know. I will leave it there now. Well, maybe aligned with the player because otherwise it's super weird. And how this, we will have a script probably for it. Now I'm starting to like be really concerned about how I order my stuff here. I would almost like to have each object be its own folder thingy and just have its own scripts related to it. But let's create a folder that's for UI. And in here we'll create a script and we call it sizeable. Suis. Why can I not say size? Help. Size. Evolve. Evolve. Yeah, like that. Easy. First try. First try. Ah. So let's see, why is Writer not opening? I need Writer. I need a tool editor, script editor, bruh. Code editor. Okay, close that. UI here. Let's get rid of that. We don't need any of these. We don't need these at all. What we will have here is a public. What did he use in the video? It was just a text field, I think. I don't remember really. There. Yeah, just text. Text, and I will call it. Oh yeah, probably need to import a UI, and we will call it evolve text. Evolve like that. Writer, thank you. I am the writer. You should just see like this, when I write scripts for my YouTube videos, how many typos there are and how many like it's that's that's why my content is I was about to say good. No, but because when I read the thing, I'm like, what the fuck does it even say? Improvise time. And then I just go with the flow, you know, like I hit the wall, I'll be like, yeah, that didn't sound too bad, let's go with it. I would like the small e. Namespace does not correspond.
Harold,
Yeah.
like which Ubuntu version should I get? Like there's 24.02 LTS something, I don't know.
Yeah, that one should
Yeah.
just work.
LTS.
But there's also a 25.04 version.
Nah, you should probably not use the like latest,
okay.
but yeah, I mean it depends on how stable you want it to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, but like if you have like multiple monitors, you probably want the 25 because 25 is much better with monitors than 24.
Oh yeah, okay. So then I should get this one. 25.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, if you have multiple monitors, especially with different hertz, then 25 is what you want.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Is there like a hash map or like a map? Is there just a map in? Basically, what I would like is some key map thingy where you could still assign it in the Unity editor and like have like, for example, I'll put level or size and then like what tag it corresponds to. Something like that would be pretty cool. Let's see, Unity map. But that's not what I mean. I don't know if I even want the hash map. Well, there's just this map. So you put the key and value. What does the colon object mean? Okay, wait. So hit namespace, and then there's a public class. What the heck? There's a entry that has key and value. Function entry. Oh, so it's the constructor. Okay. It says this, and then. Well, I could also just go for a list, but it would be cool with just being able to specify what happens at what point. Well, whatever. I guess we could also just go with that. Public. I'm trying to get a little playable demo ready. Yeah, basically that. List of strings. It did not like to import that. And I will say just sizes. And then let's see. I like the function name evolve size, but you will pass in a float and it will be size. Actually, I should make it to an integer. Can one like assign values? What the heck happened?
Yo, Leon.
Oh, Leon join now. How about that? What the heck? Can one assign size?
Yeah, Leon, it's push to talk. Maybe you need to like adjust your hotkey to like to talk.
When microtransactions. So guns update when? Why do you guys always want me to put guns in my games? Oh, you can just do new like that. Okay, cool. new list strings and let's see. It says that should be like this, and then we can go small,
Yo,
medium,
Mitsu joined.
big, brawler. What was else? What we had in here? We had behemoth, and then big chungus. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yeah, because there's a space in that one, but that's okay. P2 What player? What does P2W stand for? Help! Help! What does it stand for? Well. And I will have a int. I can make them private because nothing else needs access to these except these ones internally. Private int current size. What? Pay to win. Ah! I feel like I should have known that. Is my microphone volume good enough? I hope it is. Should I put some music? I will put some music for you guys. I don't know. Da na na. Na na na. Or I can sing for you. How about that?
Yes. Okay, can talk.
Oh, you can talk.
Oh yeah, nice.
So evolve size, and then I think I will just make it directly into an integer because that's basically what I want. If size is smaller than or equal to current size, we will just return. We don't want to do anything. But else, if it's not, then that means it's a good one. Oh yeah. Or if size is larger than or equal to size. Why did I do it with a capital S all of a sudden? What happened? Sizes dot. Is there a length? Yes. Count. Okay. Where's why? Volume warning instead. I'm gonna put on some music, guys. Good morning. And then we'll just put it to that, and yeah. So now what we need to do is somewhere we need to call an update for this. We could do it in the consume here, but that's kind of like, this one is quite generic. This one is used like for everything that can consume, and that's kind of pointless. It's actually just the player that needs to know that, oh shit, we don't really have a specific. Is there like an on? I don't know what would be the best way of doing this, because I don't want everything to just be like, okay, you can check to update the players text now. We don't need that really. I don't know how should I go about this? What the fuck? Let's evolve. I fell asleep at 1 a.m. Oh, a.m. Yeah, actually I did that too. You and me, brother. You and me. falling asleep at 1 a.m. And 1 a.m. Why can I not talk? Let's actually check with the AI. What does it say? Because I am generally clueless. Like, how should I do this? Because I don't want the consume script to be doing it. Because, like, there's a lot of object that has the consume script, and like, there's only one object that needs this kind of notification that, oh, by the way, you should probably check your scale now, or something like that. I'm trying to find people that would be interested in my retro computer console project. Yeah, I think it's quite niche, but maybe have you tried going to some Reddit page or something and just posting something cool there? Like, I think there's probably like plenty of Reddit pages you could like. I don't think you need to find anything bigger than like 10,000. Like, probably just a community where there's 100 people is already like pretty sufficient, you know, just to get started. How do you try? Do you post it as? Well, I guess I don't know. Depending if it's a mod who removes it. Because if you post it as an advertisement, then it makes sense. But if you post it as something cool to show off and share, then I guess it's a little bit better, you know. Yeah, I think the link is somewhere on the stream as well for the Discord server. I think we both are there, aren't you? Yeah. I don't know, should I probably use some... I understood that Unity has its own AI that you could try to use, but... It's really just player that needs this. No enemy needs to be aware of. Like, it's just for the player's own entertainment that, you know, by the way, you ate food and now you're bigger. Let's see. I can spell this. I can't spell, but it's okay. What do I need? Okay, I think it misunderstood what I meant by it, but that, you know, actually one thing I realized that I could do, it's kind of dumb and I don't really like it, but it could work. is that if compare tag player, well then I know that this is the player, then I can do basically what am I trying to do? The thing that it said, bro. This thing, get component, but I guess I have to do still like I will go game object, get components in children. Or I think I have to go one step up and then down. But let's see if I don't really know. Wait, but the size of all script is not inside of the. Well, I can make it so it's inside of the player. Does it make sense to have it like so? Let's see. Alright, I can't. Live Lucas reaction, yep. Mods? Do you mean moderators or do you mean modifications? Okay, I think that's pretty damn good. Then we can take in here. We get the children. We get the children. Hey, I didn't mean it like that. Size, evolve, and then in here we call. What did I call the thing? Can I do I can't. Evolve size, and then I give it in the food because food is basically my size. Hey, now I get the children. Look, I'm just trying to do something good here, and I immediately get cancelled. At least it's this guy right here. Yep. We can do an in-pipe.
For that reason, we need the soundboard.
Ah.
To prevent a good sound there.
Okay. Every YouTuber when they get popular. Alright, I will enable the soundboard, but if you will lose your privilege to join this chat if you misuse it. So that's the I trust you guys with the good usage of the soundboard. So yeah. Okay, let's continue. Almost every Minecraft YouTuber, yep. just like me to say, well, every YouTuber when they get popular. Yep. Thank God I'm not popular. Like, I cannot join live. Yeah. Join the normal, general, live or Lucas VIP channel, and I can from there add you to this one. In a moment. So wait, to get this, and then we'll update this, and it should do this in the beginning directly. Let's see, we should be called, we are already called small, but alright, well, I don't know, let's see, if I eat a little bit. Hey, it took my food. I'm still called small. I shouldn't be called small anymore, I'm pretty big. You know, I'm like 3.6. I should be at least be a. What should I be? I should be a big. I don't know why I'm not big. Let's see. Why am I not big?
Wait.
Yes, a soundboard is a good idea.
Alright, who just did that sus sound? Yeah, after that rotting part of his face was floating around the pool, Ro said, yeah, I have the soundboard on the Twitch, or like the Discord, so People can play the soundboard while I'm live. Let's see, why am I not unable?
And finally, we can output I use arts by the way .arts by the way with the I use arts by the way command line.
Let's see. I think it should call immediately, right? It didn't got called at all? What the heck? Again, it's not even being called. Compare tag. Oh, because the consume script probably doesn't have. Wait, let's see. Consume. Yeah, it's untagged. Hey, how about that? Okay, then it makes sense. So we will do this. We go. Well, I already have root here, so I can actually. Root should be a transform. So we can do transform root. It's equal to this. Then we can just replace root on here with that, and then we can say root compare player. I think that should give me a valid. Why is the floor has black circle? It's to show the gravitational field. Yeah, I want to make it like some animation that shows that things are being like sucked in, but I'm not that good at shit yet, so you know. Yeah. Okay, I think this should make it work. Let's see. Oh. What? Ah, right. That makes sense. Stop it. Stop. I'd still like to run with debugging in case something goes wrong. We need to go root. Can I do this? Is this okay? Is this legal? I think it's legal. Shit. I don't. Why is it me, or is there actually like an? Yeah. Okay. I like the check marks in the chat. It's pretty good. So stop. Get some help. No, I don't want help. Okay, now it's bullshitting me. I swear. Okay, no, that's no, it makes sense. Root.game object. Oops. Dot. Okay, we need to do like that. Yeah, it makes sense. Help needs him. Yeah, that's right. I don't need help. Help needs me. I am the one.
You mean that you are the Glab?
I'm the Glab guy. Okay, now I don't know what the heck this is. Okay, it says player. What? Game object. Gets the children. And then there's the UI. Oh, but I need to. I need to get that's children, and inside there's this thing. Why can it not just... Oh wait, no, I understand now. I need to do this. Stop! What the fuck? I forgot to even apply the script. And why can I not see the... Wait, what? Oh, but... Public. Well, actually, that is itself. I don't know, now I'm doing something funny.
Drag and drop that text component inside of this end.
Ah, text component, my bad. Okay, wait, is it... text row. What is that? Public text. How do I get the pro mesh? There. I don't know. I hope it's this. And like so. Why can I not put the text there? What the fuck? How is this supposed to work? Stop, bro. It's not Minecraft YouTuber. He made Minecraft on C++, so he is Minecraft YouTuber. Oh yeah. But how the frick do I get this text in there? Like for real? Like how?
I am the glob glob.
Oh no.
The schwabble double wobble gobble flibber blah blah blah.
Unity get text mesh pro.
I am the glob glob.
Yo, stop it.
The schwabble double wobble gobble flibber blah blah blah.
Find object. How do I? Is it called? Is it that? I don't know what they are called. These things. Let's see. Let's try this. And go back into here. Get it in there. Why are you turning it off? Hey. Okay, finally I got it, bro. Took some time. Okay, now if things should work. Okay, and let's eat some small beans. I'm still small though. What the?
I am the glob glob gab galab. The schwabble double wobble gobble flibber blah blah blah.
What the fuck is going on on this expo?
Can you? So it do this. Let's go in here. And it gets in here and it's like, okay, size is 1 was, that is. So it should get into, okay, what? So it's not smaller and size is not larger than, what the? Oh, or, how is count equal to 1? What? Oh my god, I put freaking... I'm having a blast. Why are you doing this? Okay, I will do that. Oops. Like so. Okay, let's just trick me. But weirdly enough, it didn't. Lucas, best YouTuber in existence. Hell yeah. If you remove the Discord soundboard, Lucas, we all will leave live your server. You will live my server? So I should remove it so you also go live on my server? Okay, let's see. And if I eat and oh no, they combined. They got afraid of me. Yeah, you better be. Why am I still big? Okay, let's see. So it gets in here, it's very rough. I also want this one though. And now it's size is 1, that is smaller than this. Size is 1, that is... how does it still consider itself to be a count of... How do I... Oh my god, I don't understand. Is still 1. Like, am I supposed to format it with brackets for each and every one of them? Let's see. What's the difference? That's the same thing. Police for misunderstanding. The provided list only has a single item because it was mistakenly created with one string. The square brackets. Ah, whoops. What? No, isn't a list. What? Not a list, but you actually have a single string brawler. Ah. But that's literally the same thing that I have right here. It's what? What? Hey, this is what the fuck? Why? Unity list. But why doesn't it still counts as it would be 1 for some reason? Why? That is that actually 1? It is counted as 1 somehow. What am I supposed to do so it doesn't do that? Let's just C# list. Let's see if I can find a sample here how to do it properly. That's more. I don't want to do it with an ad, I just want to do it directly. Do I have to use an ad for it? Is there actually no like constructor just for it to use? There. What? That's what I do. That's exactly that's what I do. Why? That is exactly what I do. I don't get it. Actually, let's do it public so I can see if it works.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.
What? What? What is the difference between these two? It's literally the same. Oh, I don't have the parentheses. Okay. So that was that literally why it didn't work. I swear. But why didn't it still? Oh yeah, because it was the last element, so that's why it didn't work from before. Reset. Bam! Look at that. Okay. So much time just to get a list. The fuck. But I'm still called small. Why am I called small? It never even got to this point now. What the? Oh, no, I never called it debug. Okay. You know, I hate that question. Do you like kids? I got asked that before getting into the army. It's like, well, I don't hate them. Like, what does that question even mean? Like, it's like I don't know how to answer that. Okay, let's see. So, and then it goes into it, right? Okay. And now it sets the text to that. And then it crashes. Alright, that makes sense. Resume. Let's see if it works now. Boom. Boom. I'm called Big now. Mom, I'm a brawler. Look at me. It works. Okay, I think it's pretty solid. So I have like a half an hour before I need to go. So what we can do now is take the game manager, and this one now needs access to the field. So we will do a public, I will just call it no. Game object. Should I just field? I will just give it a. What? I need a. What do I need? I need a. Man, it's. I usually don't stream this early. Early, it's like midday, bruh. I need. What the fuck? Like I don't even guys. Like your questions are getting out of hand. I'm just saying. Like, what are these questions? What are you trying? What are you implying? I will tell you what I like. I like dragons and dinosaurs. And lions are pretty cool too. But I will need a way to spawn in random shit, you know what I'm saying? I think best way to go about it would just be... Lions are cool. Public... Let's just say spawn range, so we will go float spawn range. I will initialize this to be, let's say, 30.f. Yeah. What the? Why? And then we will have a public float spawn timer. Would that be equal to... Oh yeah, it's good. Let's do it on integer, it's better. Spawn timer equals 15, and then private in current spawn timer. What the? Why can I not do a tab? I just want to do a tab. And then we'll have the fixed update. Public fixed update. Are you... Oh wait, what the fuck? What happened in here? Are they under 18? Hello, Pem120. What are these questions? How do I soundboard? It's on the Discord. Like, I invite people to join there. The big one does what to the dog? What? Goon. Hey, no. Are you a professional gooner? Totally. I goon every day. Guys, join Lucas, Feet, Stickling, and Goon Cave. What the heck?
Lucas, I think you need to change your stream to 18 plus with all these questions.
Yeah, no, we are not gonna have these kind of questions. Stop it. Okay, I will soon disable soundboard again if it keeps on going crazy like this. Like I allow it just to see how it works. Or like, it's a fine to have it, but Jesus, if you're gonna spam it like then I will disable it again. Guys. Why can I not? Like it says there's a range function, but when I try to use it, it's like, you know, no, it doesn't exist. Too bad. You know what the fuck? No. I should make these sound effects for the game. That would be hilarious. Oh shit, I don't have much time actually. I might... Well, I can still, I still push this and do it in the train. But, let's see. Does it say they include here? Using... I should just be able to use it like this. Random range. Yeah, I don't get it. Why is it complaining that I can't use it using Unity Engine? I think it's bluffing. Random position, we will take random between there and random between here, and then we will take a random food size between here and the random position, and let's see. I think it's bluffing, you know, I think it works. No, okay, why? Wow, random. What else do we have for random? What are two kinds of random? Range. I don't get it.
I am the glob glow gabgalab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blah.
Or is it trying to generate random vector position given spawn range? It seems that you're trying to use Unity. However, this is not the correct way of using. Oh, so it is because of this thing that it's messing up. Ah, okay, interesting. I'm just gonna do also a debug And actually we'll put some height on this, like maybe 5.f. Log error spawn. And just go like this, and let's see. What is now the problem? There. What? What? Oh, it's this thing that is the bruh. I'm so used to having point F for every like decimal, and it's like, you know, crazy. The Unity doesn't like that, or C# doesn't like it. I'm like, I like it. Let's see, console. As soon as it's unloading. Pretty damn cool. Oh, wow, whoa, 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 that's... Your big chunk is quite fast. That's a lot of food. Yeah, we don't need to spawn that fast. Maybe 6 is good, and no, let's do 30. And let's do a bit smaller food sizes, like maybe to 0.2. How about that?
Okay, Lucas, I think I will be going.
Okay.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.
Yes, sir.
See you. Bye.
But again, it got a run. I don't get it. It should not even be possible to enter. Like, I have a check. The only condition I can get into the script if this is not null. That's literally the check that I do before I get into this point. Is that target cannot be null. Then enter this script, and then it's null when it gets here. It's like, what the f? How is that possible? At this point, I don't even know. I'm just gonna say. I'm literally gonna do a null check. I shouldn't even be needing to do it, because it should be impossible to even get in here if it is null. Status failure. I shouldn't even be needing to do that check. Like, it shouldn't. It should literally be impossible for that to happen. Like, that's the only condition I have before I enter the script is it null? Okay, it's not null, do it. And I was like, it's null. I was like, okay, fuck. Fucking hell. Now you're a behemoth. It still spawns pretty fast, like the food. And now you're big chungus. And now you're just consuming every single food that gets spawned into the world. It's still a bit too fast, the spawning of food. Chat, don't stop. What's happening in the chat? Okay, let's see. Now I think we're good to go. Oh no, spawn timer is still. Oh, that's why it never updates. Let's change it to 45. Damn cool. We can. Oh, look! So many things in the in Fermingo. There's also people in the Twitch. Damn. Yeah, I did set it up, but it only works on Twitch. I didn't get it to work on YouTube. I need to leave like in 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna do some fast things here, and then I'm just gonna, you know, I don't know. Yeah. Let's see, what else I'm supposed to do now? I got the spawn working. Let's take a prefab of enemy. Prefab. And then let's create a similar to this one, but we'll create it like this. Spawn enemy value at. And then we will take the, well, I guess at this we could just spawn game object at, and then we could just use the same one. But I'm not gonna do it like that. I'm gonna create the initialize with the identity, and then we're gonna set the local scale. Actually, we cannot set the local scale. Instead, what we will have to do is to make it consume. I will just make spawn enemy value at. God damn it. Well, I guess I could say the consume to have a consume value. So we can do another one, consume. And this will be consume value. And then it will literally just go like this. And it will be a I float. Like so. And then we can go in here and we get the game object, and we can say get component in children, and we can say consume, and then consume value, and we pass in value, and boom.
I will be back in a few minutes.
Yeah, I'll probably be gone in 15 minutes, but yeah. Game object, and whoa. Game object. Why does it do this? I want the class game object, and it still puts it. Well, I'm just gonna say spawn prefab is equal to actually I don't need to do this. I can just go if random why do you do that? Why? Stop it. Random range 0 and 1. Oh, I actually need an integer. Oh, it is an integer. Equal to 1. So we'll do a 50-50. Actually, let's do a random range between 0 and 2, and if it's larger than 1, so what is happening, brother? I just came. We're already leaving. Yeah, how is the prep going for the jam? It's going good. It's going alright, maybe. Okay, let's maybe change it to 3. Put it to 2. Could you stop spamming? Let's move this one here. So just on a few occasions it will spawn enemy value at, and we will take random spawn range. No. A random value. Basically the same as this. But we will have between 1 and let's say 1.5. And then we'll put the random position. Like so. This is horrible, but this could work. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh yeah, but I need to put a prefab in there, bruh. Let's see, where's the game manager? There. Prefabs, and let's set a... Where's the enemy? There's the enemy. Let's try again. Wait, did I put food or enemy in the... Okay, good. It just seems to be spawning food. Where's my enemies at? If... Oh, that was a big ass enemy. Damn! Why are they all like chilling over here for some reason? And I don't even get the health bar for some funny reason either. Happening. Just eat you off the map. Okay. Let's do 60. Why did I not get the health bar? Oh, they don't even have. Oh, that's the player. What? Enemy, there. I don't have a health bar. So let's try again. The health bar is a bit on the wrong spot, but that's okay. Now they're bullying me. And now I'm bullying them back. And they yeeted me off the map. Seems to be a null reference here. How? Let's see. Run it. Okay, let's see. So we got in here. On update, this is detect object by tag. Detection. So what is the problem? Because this exists. Oh, but it doesn't have the, okay. Doesn't have the detection script. Okay, I see. Let's see, health bar. So detect player and then... Oh yeah, I should be in here. Behavior. And then target, roam. There, listing. Let's see, detect player there. Boom. Let's see, what else? Okay, let's see, I think that should be it. I probably won't add guns, but maybe. Oh no, it stole my food! Why does they have 2 health bars now? What the fuck is happening? Yeah, that's right. They get shit on. It's too easy to grow. There's a lot of balancing that needs to be done here. And why does the health bar have 2? I don't get it. Some of them had 2 health bars. Oh, now I know why. I'll go in here, enemy.
Because are we making the same game? Because what you're saying is applies to what I'm doing, like exactly.
Well, that's convenient, isn't it?
Yeah, like I used to make a health bar, and it's kind of funky, and my food is kind of weird, and I have a snake that grows, and it is way too easy to grow. And you're saying that, like, bro, are you watching me make a game or what?
Yes.
Yeah, I believe you.
Let's just game manager when I spawn food. Yes. Let's do player attack. Take damage. And then spawn food amount. Let's make it like 0.2 F. No, it's still on the food. They're stealing the food. They're too big. I just realized, like, I need to go real soon, so I'm just trying to like squeeze out this time real fast. Sorry if I don't read the chat that much. Okay. No. Let's see, I need AI. Generate location action here. So, value, yeah, it needs to take game object. Actually, let's do it. Transform curve pos equals game object. What the heck? Game object dot transform dot position. Dot transform. And then, or actually, let's do it. Vector3 purpose position purpose x plus set, like so. So this should be the thing. Now they shouldn't be all like clustered up in the center. Oh, nice. Thank you for muting. Yeah, it's just a bit annoying when there's like too much text. Yeah, now they're like more randomly moving around. Oh, I need that. No, it's stealing it! No! Wait, is this wrong? Why can I not attack this one? What the fuck? This one I can attack. I don't know what happened to the other one. Am I... Where is it going? Oh, because these ones are so goddamn big, they're just stealing all of the food. No! And I cannot attack them. What? Now I can attack them. Well, I don't get it. Every single one. Okay, I got one. But I cannot attack this one for some reason. No! Okay. Maybe I won't be able to release it right now. I will look at it at the train just to get those small quirks done, because I really need to prepare for going. Where is the camera? There it is. Move to grid position. What? Did I? How do I move to this position? I want to move the camera there. Oh, like that. Boom. What the fuck? Okay. Well, I need to get going, I think, so I don't miss the train, because if I miss the train, that would be pretty bad. Oh wait,
well,
I still have 10
should-
minutes actually. I have the timer. Okay, good. 10 minutes.
Both
To
addicted to making games.
yeah, no, I'm not addicted. I think I need to understand why can I not attack sometimes. It's like it doesn't. I think the player is still like clicking. Let's go to game manager. Let's actually do this. Git add dot git commit. Almost working game. Oh, git push. What is this? Oh. Alright. It's intense now. Fuck. Hello. But let's see. I want also a pool. Public pool. Public. Just so I can easily test this. Pool. Should spawn equals true. And then I can change it in the middle of the run. If should spawn. Not should spawn, then we return. Okay. Wait, no. This is... I can't do it there. Well, I guess we can just do it here. Should spawn. Well, actually, I don't have anything else in here, so I think it just makes sense to have it here. It's the only thing that takes care of it. So, yeah. So if it should not spawn, then it just returns. Nice. 10 minutes, and then I need to go. So I should actually upload this thing, but I'm probably not gonna get it uploaded. I will do it later, off cam, I guess. But now I need to figure out. The enemies have too strong of an attraction. They yoink all the freaking food. I think the player should have priority over the food somehow. Well, I could also do it based on distance. But also I want to know why can I not attack some of the enemies? Like, that makes no sense if I go to... Wait, where's the player attack here? So let's see if I can get another enemy that says that it cannot be attacked or something like that. I think it's pretty balanced. Yeah, your goal is also not to fly off the platform. How about that? It's perfect. Hello. $7 minutes. I guess I could do a 3D object and a cube that is like transparent. Can you make a cube transparent? Because then I could put some roof or something, I don't know. Yeah, I don't really want to miss the train though. I think I will just do a... Did I do any changes? We all just keep not it small piece. Alright. Add the tool for spawn. In the mesh renders, I think you can change the opacity. Ah. Well, I will think about this on the train. I hope I can work on it on my laptop. It should be doable. But I'm gonna start heading towards the train so I can meet with my family, and then I will probably let you guys know on the Discord if I get the game up on itch. It should be playable on the web. Don't know, it's not really much gameplay yet, but there is a little bit of consuming. Think, but yeah, I got to go now, so I will see you maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure if I will be back tomorrow, but on Saturday I will be back home, so in 2 days. Bye bye.